Hello. How are you? Of course. Thank you for being patient. Appreciate that. Okay, you try putting air in it? I'll check it right now. Do you know if it's a nail or if it popped on you?
Sorry?
Do you know if it popped on you?
No, it didn't pop. It's
No?
just low.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a nail right here.
Yeah.
I can fix that. I just charge. I do that on the side, and then I can put that back on. You're good to go after that.
Right now?
If we go to the gas station to put air, because my air compressor broke like 2 days ago.
Yeah, we would have to. You could do it like right now. Like,
Yeah. It'll take me like probably 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, so.
You want me to do it, or no pressure? I mean.
No, yeah. I just want to make sure. Like, I don't actually have cash on me, so
You could.
Decide so how much.
It's $35. You could Cash App it, Zelle it, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right. Are you from around here?
cool. Yeah, I'm actually on my way home from work. It's just that I had a really low tire.
Yeah.
And you know what? I actually noticed it in the morning.
It was low?
Not that it was low, just that, like, I would feel every single little bump, but I didn't actually get the sensor to come on the car until I was already off of work, and then I didn't realize that it was this low.
Yeah, because it's a slow leak. Hold on a second. There should be. It's a good thing you have your lock. Yeah. A lot of people lose that. Oh no, I can't fix your tire.
No?
Nope, it's not fixable.
Oh, I just realized. Oh,
you see all this?
Oh my
that nail,
God.
honestly, I think you've been driving like this for a couple of days.
Probably.
Yeah,
because I see that. Yeah.
That's crazy. With all due respect, but my dad always said, you ladies don't care about the maintenance on the car.
I really do. I really do.
It's all good. You're probably busy with school. You go to school?
No, I work.
Not work? Yeah. At least the spares, you could drive it for a couple weeks if you have to. But if I were you, I'd go tomorrow and go get a. Yeah. Are you gonna get brand new ones?
It's Friday.
Are you gonna buy all 4 or just one? Because I think you need to buy all 4. If you can. Of course.
Would you mind taking this off the thing?
What, the tire?
Yeah. You think
No, the tire.
Oh.
Okay, so the tire, you got to
on
take
the
it to a
rim?
tire shop. Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be
Okay,
able to do that.
Okay.
How do you like your Honda Accord?
I like it.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
No worries. This is not gonna fit under,
Yeah, that's fine.
so I'm gonna leave it on top.
Yeah, can I just...
Oh yeah. Sorry. Is there anything else I could do for you, miss?
No, thank you so much.
Alrighty.
I appreciate your help.
Sorry.
Thank you so
Have
much.
a good one. God bless you. Be safe, okay? Of course. Okay. You do insurance?
No, I work.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate this. Have a good one.